Simple and best. English.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today you will practice 60 simple do you questions. For each question, you will hear one positive answer and one negative answer.
Listen carefully and repeat each question and answer out loud. This will help you improve your pronunciation and master asking and answering do you questions in English.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I live here.
Do you live here?
No, I don't. I live a bit far from here.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, I do. I live nearby.
Do you live nearby?
No, I don't. I live far away.
Do you work here?
Yes, I do. I work here.
Do you work here?
No, I don't. I just came here for a visit.
Do you work today?
Yes, I do. I work today.
Do you work today?
No, I don't. I have a day off today.
Do you study here?
Yes, I do. I study here.
Do you study here?
No, I don't. I came here to meet someone.
Do you study English?
Yes, I do. I study English.
Do you study English?
No, I don't. I study another subject.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I speak English.
Do you speak English?
No, I don't. I am still learning.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do. I understand.
Do you understand?
No, I don't. I need a clearer explanation.
Do you need help?
Yes, I do. I need help.
Do you need help?
No, I don't. I can do it myself.
Do you have time now?
Yes, I do. I have time now.
Do you have time now?
No, I don't. I am busy right now.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I like coffee.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't. I prefer tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. I like tea.
Do you like tea?
No, I don't. I prefer coffee.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do. I love music.
Do you like music?
No, I don't. I prefer quiet places.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do. I like movies.
Do you like movies?
No, I don't. I prefer short videos.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I like sports.
Do you like sports?
No, I don't. I prefer walking.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do. I like spicy food.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't. I prefer mild food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I like cooking.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't. I usually buy food.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I like reading.
Do you like reading?
No, I don't. I prefer listening to audio.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like my job.
Do you like your job?
No, I don't. It is very stressful.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I do. I like this place.
Do you like this place?
No, I don't. I prefer another place.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I eat breakfast every morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
No, I don't. I usually skip breakfast.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee in the morning.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I don't. I drink water in the morning.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do. I cook at home.
Do you cook at home?
No, I don't. I usually buy food.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I do. I clean my room.
Do you clean your room?
No, I don't. My sister cleans it.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I do. I wash the dishes.
Do you wash the dishes?
No, I don't. Someone else usually does it.
Do you do the shopping?
Yes, I do. I do the shopping.
Do you do the shopping?
No, I don't. My family usually does it.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do. I exercise regularly.
Do you exercise?
Not always. I only exercise sometimes.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I do. I walk every day.
Do you walk every day?
No, I don't. I don't walk much.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do. I sleep early.
Do you sleep early?
No, I don't. I usually sleep late.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. I wake up early.
Do you wake up early?
No, I don't. I usually wake up late.
Do you go to work every day?
Yes, I do. I go to work every day.
Do you go to work every day?
No, I don't. I work only a few days a week.
Do you work on weekends?
Yes, I do. I work on weekends.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't. I only work on weekdays.
Do you finish work late?
Yes, I do. I finish work late.
Do you finish work late?
No, I don't. I usually finish early.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I do. I drive to work.
Do you drive to work?
No, I don't. I take the train to work.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, I do. I take the bus.
Do you take the bus?
No, I don't. I usually drive.
Do you take the train?
Yes, I do. I take the train.
Do you take the train?
No, I don't. I usually take the bus.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, I do. I walk to work.
Do you walk to work?
No, I don't. It is too far.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, I do. I use public transport.
Do you use public transport?
No, I don't. I usually drive.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do. I have a car.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't. I use public transport.
Do you drive?
Yes, I do. I drive.
Do you drive?
No, I don't. I don't have a license.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I do. I have a job.
Do you have a job?
No, I don't. I am looking for a job.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a pet.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't. I don't have any pets.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do. I have a best friend.
Do you have a best friend?
No, I don't. I have a few close friends.
Do you have free time?
Yes, I do. I have some free time today.
Do you have free time?
No, I don't. I am busy today.
Do you have a minute?
Yes, I do. I have a minute.
Do you have a minute?
No, I don't. I am in a hurry.
Do you have a booking?
Yes, I do. I have a booking.
Do you have a booking?
No, I don't. I came without a booking.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I do. I have an appointment.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. I need to make an appointment.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, I do. I have my phone.
Do you have your phone?
No, I don't. I left it at home.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, I do. I have my ID.
Do you have your ID?
No, I don't. I forgot to bring it.
Do you have enough money?
Yes, I do. I have enough money.
Do you have enough money?
No, I don't. I need to withdraw some money.
Do you know the way?
Yes, I do. I know the way.
Do you know the way?
No, I don't. I need directions.
Do you know this place?
Yes, I do. I know this place.
Do you know this place?
No, I don't. This is my first time here.
Do you know him?
Yes, I do. I know him.
Do you know him?
No, I don't. I have never met him.
Do you know her?
Yes, I do. I know her.
Do you know her?
No, I don't. I have never met her.
Do you remember me?
Yes, I do. I remember you.
Do you remember me?
No, I don't. Sorry, I don't remember you.
Do you agree?
Yes, I do. I agree.
Do you agree?
No, I don't. I have a different opinion.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I do. I want some water.
Do you want some water?
No, I don't. I am okay, thank you.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, I do. I need a receipt.
Do you need a receipt?
No, I don't. I don't need a receipt.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please. I need a bag.
Do you want a bag?
No, I don't. I brought my own bag.
Do you feel okay?
Yes, I do. I feel okay.
Do you feel okay?
No, I don't. I feel a bit tired.
Well done. You did a great job practicing today's lesson.
If this lesson was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Simple and Best English. Your support helps us create more English lessons for you. Thanks, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.